Good afternoon. So today we talk about practical tips of carrying out mega session. Hair transplant is one of the commonest aesthetic procedure with the demand of higher coverage and maximum density in minimum sessions, even in advanced grade of baldness. So everybody want head full of hair, and for this we need large number of hair grafts to be implanted without compromising safety of the patient, and it requires gross management and planning. If number of grafts implanted are more than 3000 in one session, it is known as mega session. If more than 4000 grafts are implanted, then it is giga session. We commonly implant 3 to 4000 grafts in one session of one day and 5 to 6000 grafts in one session of 2 days. Mega session requires time management, space management, safety of the patient must not be compromised at all, and quality of hair transplant shall be maintained. So reducing overall time of surgery is main factor for performing mega session. It will help to transplant large number of follicles without fatigue of patient, doctor and surgical team. For this, we must save time at each and every step of hair transplant. So to reduce harvesting time, we use Buddy's technique of harvesting. That is, two surgeons, if available, they can harvest graft at the same time. Good quality punches, comfortable position of surgeon and patient, and excision by surgeon and removal of graft by assistant can be done at the same time. To reduce implantation time, Buddy's technique of implantation. That is, two technicians, they implant graft at the same time. And I think most of the centers, they use Buddy's technique for implantation. Pre-made sites, if done properly, definitely helps in fast implantation. Anesthesia, vasoconstriction, good light, magnification, they all facilitate fast implantation. Now, simultaneous excision and implantation is the most effective way to reduce overall time of the surgery. Whether harvesting is done from the scalp, like in this photo, we use thigh massage chair and simultaneous implantation is going on, or harvesting is done from the beard. You can see in this photo, surgeon is extracting and placer is implanting, or from the chest. Again, simultaneous implantation can be done very well. We use combination of settings to create enough room for greater persons to work together. So if harvesting is done from the scalp, we use thigh massage chair. For beard and chest donor, simultaneous excision implantation can be done on routine operation table. Thigh massage chair, you can see it creates enough space from all the side of the scalp for working. So in this video, you can see 4 persons are working together, 2 surgeon and 2 assistant. Simultaneous graft harvesting by the 2 surgeon, and grafts are removed also at the same time from the anterior side, posterior side and from the lateral aspect. So using thigh massage chair, we can work from all sides of the scalp. Our aim is more than 3 or 4 persons can work together. So the combination can be 1 surgeon, 1 placer with their assistant, 1 surgeon, 2 placer, 2 surgeons, 1 placer, or 2 surgeons with their assistant. So in this video, you can see 2 surgeons are working together with 1 placer and their assistant. All are working comfortably. So 3 persons, they are sitting and 2 are standing. So the position is like that. 1 is sitting, 1 is standing. So there is enough space for every person to work comfortably. Patient is also sitting comfortably. So managing scoring, extraction and implantation of the graft simultaneously will grossly reduce overall time of the surgery and patient's fatigue. Approximately 30 to 50% of the extracted graft are implanted simultaneously. So it reduces overall time of surgery, reduces out of body time of the grafts and also reduce fatigue of the patient. Safety of patient. Along with management of time and space, we need to take care safety of patient, which is most important for us. Then excision from the safe donor area is our priority. So combination of scalp and body hair follicles can be done in one session to get maximum donor hair follicles in mega session. And if we extract grafts from the scalp and other body area, we have to implant them carefully. If all the scalp graft are implanted in one zone and beard in another zone, it will give weird look. So combination is to be made. Anterior hairline zone by the scalp hair graft, and then posteriorly in the gradient density scalp and beard grafts are implanted. And for further reading, you can refer to this article in the forum. Here is the video showing simultaneous excision implantation in beard. So harvesting is done from the beard. This is close-up view. One surgeon is scoring, assistant is extracting, and one placer is implanting the graft. In this manner, around 70 to 80% of the beard graft can be implanted simultaneously. This is the video showing harvesting from the chest. So you can see there is enough space for two surgeons to work together. This is the chest hair follicle extraction. Skin is stretched with the help of finger and thumb, and then scoring is done, and you can see how beautifully the grafts they are coming out. So this is chest hair follicle harvesting. They are delicate, so two forceps technique is used for the removal of the graft. You can see these are the chest hair follicles, and we can implant them simultaneously. Now techniques to get best outcome of hair transplant in mega session. Keeping graft out of body time less than 2 hours, use of autologous platelet rich plasma as graft holding solution, and no touch to root implantation to minimize trauma to the hair follicle. So this is the method. We prepare platelet rich plasma and autologous plasma and keep graft in them. So a platelet fibrin plaque is formed and it prevents desiccation and dehydration injury to the grafts. And this is the no touch to root technique. Pre-made sites are already made and grafts are implanted, and it helps in improving the result of hair transplant. And these are the results. You can see after 1 year of hair transplant, 4050 graft, this is in 1 day from scalp and beard. This is 2 days session of 5020 grafts, around 3000 from the scalp and 2000 from the beard. This is after 10 months of hair transplant. Again 2 days session, 4900 graft, and this is again 1 day session, 3500 graft from scalp, 3000 around and 600 from the beard. So the challenges for the surgeon during mega session are to harvest maximum grafts from scalp without compromising donor area. Then use of extra scalp donor area with all precautions to keep anesthetic dose within safe limit. Implantation of large number of grafts, taking care of graft out of body time. To reduce overall time of the surgery to avoid fatigue, and also to achieve optimum result of hair transplant. And this all is to be done in one session. So surgeon must take care of any possible emergency. 2 days planning for implantation for more than 4000 graft is need for safety and success of major hair transplant procedure. Saving on time on every step of hair transplant without quality compromise is another challenge. Thigh massage chair for scalp hair follicle extraction and implantation, different comfortable position for beard and chest follicle harvesting, and simultaneous implantation help in many ways. Keeping graft in plasma and no touch to root implantation improves the result of hair transplantation. Pleasant operating environment, frequent short breaks and drink, well-trained staff and surgeon's experience are another contributing but essential factors for success of mega and giga session. So take home message is patients' demand for higher density, more coverage and natural look cannot be ignored in today's era of hair transplant. Advancement in technique of follicle harvesting, use of extra scalp hair follicle, good quality punches, more and more understanding of hair science with proper management of time and space during surgery has given us liberty to harvest and implant large number of hair follicles in minimum sessions without compromising safety and outcome of hair transplant. Thank you.